friends, now we will discuss about the pH effect on the plants as well as animals. Now, as you know, when acid rain occur, acid rain means due to the acid present in the rain. So what will happen? Its pH will be between 5 to 6, and which is acidic in nature. So when it falls on the ground, in the soil, in the oceans or rivers, what will happen? It make it acidic, due to which survival of aquatic plants and animal become difficult. So what we have to do? We have to add calcium carbonate to it to neutralize its effect. Is it clear to you? So, acid rain is harmful for the aquatic plants and animals. So, with the help of the pH, we can easily find out that which substance will be